It's still hot. Well, it's a nice day. Good day to mow. Sickle bar mowers are one of those things that time has passed by, it seems. But I sure do enjoy mowing with a well-tuned mower. First thing to fix is I got a bad ledger plate here that needs to be replaced. This end ledger plate is actually attached to the mower itself, this end, rather than one of the rock guards. Makes it a little more difficult. Here's something out of the past, at least 40 years old. Got the original part number on it. Box of ledger plates. My dealer drug them out from a shelf way in back years ago when I was looking for some. I modified one of them with a second hole because this end one is kind of an oddball. Ground down some sickle bar bolts to fit. It's easier for me than riveting. And these bolt up from the bottom with these lock nuts. Then I take a flattened chisel and peen them over so that the blades won't catch them. The knife sections. This end's got a couple of broken bolts, so we'll take care of that.